Hey everyone, welcome back. What's happening? What's up? How you feeling? Good to see that you're here and good to be back. So today I have a tutorial for you guys. I try to switch it up a little bit with my hair. So I'll have like a little twist, style or something like that, updo, because right now I can't, I talked about this in one of my videos, but I can't just throw my hair up and put it in a bun. So I'm trying to figure out ways to make it work. Yeah, I wanted to give you a tutorial for those in the medium awkward length of SISTERLOCK. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I'm going to obviously remove, and I kind of scrunch. This is just a cotton t-shirt, by the way, so I'm gonna hang that to dry. But this is my hair freshly washed. I have had, when was the last time? I think it's been 3 weeks. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks since I've had my retie. So you can't really see, but I'm experiencing a lot of slippage in the front. So this twist style is perfect because that's one thing about my hair is the front and the very back is so prone to slippage. It's crazy. So I actually braid and band the very last row of my hair. The very bottom row, I just do 3. So I'm going to take those down. Okay, so I have all of my hair taken down and ready to go. So basically what I do before I start is I take my leave-in, which you guys already know, and I just take a little bit like this much, and I take it and place it on my ends first. So I just kind of lightly tap the ends, and then I go in to the shaft of my hair. I get the middle. All that jazz. Okay. So let's get started with the style. I'm going to start in the back because that's just my favorite way to start. So what I do is I separate, let me turn around. So I separate my hair into a middle part, right? Go all the way down. Hopefully this is straight. I don't know if it's straight or not, but it usually works, so. Okay, so I'm going to put one side up. There's a little tension, so I just kind of let it loose a little bit. And so I'm just going to start working with this side first. I'm going to tuck any short hairs from this side, and we're going to work on this side. So the way that I do it is I work along the part. So there's specific parts in my hair, so let me show you. I'll just show you. That. So I'm gonna do another twist, and yeah, hopefully the parts are equal. Hey y'all, so right here I am feeling for the part that feels the straightest. Obviously I don't have a mirror, so it was a little bit of a struggle. But you see me here trying to feel for the straightest I can get it. Obviously it didn't turn out to be that straight, but I did the best that I could. And I was able to, you know, at least carve out a little path where I could, you know, start building the twist at. Once I figure out that I have something that I can work with, I rubber band the rest of the section to make sure that it's out of the way for my flat twisting. Next, I start the flat twist. I start all the way from the bottom as low as I can get, and I make sure it's nice and secure. You don't want to create too much tension with these flat twists, but you want to make sure that they will be fresh and last you for at least a week. So once I'm done flat twisting, I will add a rubber band to the end and continue going with yet another twist. Hey y'all, so I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the finished style. I did a 360 and everything. I did this really quick. This actually took me like less than 45 minutes, I would say, and it's because the parting adds extra time. So me trying to part, it adds extra time to the actual style. So because these hairs in the front are gonna get on my nerves, this is how I sometimes do it, and it's just temporary. Like it doesn't look polished, but you know, just trying to do something different. I don't know. But also, so there will be a continuation in next week's video to this week's video, because with this hair, the loose hair, I would like to curl it. I would like to have it like, you know, something other than straight. So next week I will be shooting a tutorial on that, how to curl the hair. I'm deciding if I'm going to do Nubian knots or if I'm going to do curlers, so we'll see. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this first part of the video, and yeah, let me know your results in the comments, and I will see you guys next week. Peace out.